How to open TikTok on mute. Hi friends, in this short and informative video, I'll teach you steps you can use to open the TikTok on mute. This process is really easy and straightforward, so guys, let's jump right into it. Alright, the first you want to do is to open the TikTok app on your device, and as you can see, my TikTok is not on mute. So that's why the video is playing out. Alright, so let's mute it together. Now the next thing you do is to tap on your profile icon below. In your profile page, tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal line, and select settings and privacy. In the settings page, scroll till you find playbacks and tap on it, and here you are. You can see the open TikTok on mute feature. What does this mean? This means that video will be muted by default once you open TikTok. So what you want to do is to tap on this to enable this feature, and anytime you open TikTok, your video will be muted. Alright, let's do a quick check. Close the TikTok app completely and open it again. Okay, let's open it again. Let's see if this feature is working. Okay, and as you can see, the video is muted. It's without sound. If you want to enable sound for this video, you can see the speaker icon below with the X sign. You just tap on it to enable the sound for any video. Alright. And that is it, guys. It's very easy. This is a very easy way you can open TikTok on mute. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.